Welcome back to Acer Showroom, your trusted source for the latest in automotive news, reviews, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting comebacks in the off-road world, the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. A bold reimagination of a legendary nameplate, the FJ40 is back, and it's ready to take on both modern roads and wild terrain with style and power. The icon returns a nod to the past. Toyota has reached deep into its heritage to bring back the spirit of the original FJ40, a rugged, reliable, and nearly unstoppable off-roader. First introduced in the 1960s, the FJ40 quickly became a global icon, known for its no-nonsense design and go-anywhere attitude. For 2025, Toyota has retained the DNA of the original but fused it with advanced technology, refined styling, and a clear vision of future adventure. Design rugged meets modern. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 carries a boxy silhouette reminiscent of the classic model, but with modern enhancements. It features a bold front grille, round LED headlights, muscular wheel arches, and a tall stance that screams capability. The blend of retro charm and contemporary toughness makes it stand out in a sea of generic SUVs. From the outside in, this vehicle demands attention. Interior adventure with comfort. Inside, the FJ40 balances ruggedness with comfort. Durable materials are used throughout, with weather-resistant seating and smart storage compartments for gear. At the same time, it doesn't shy away from luxury. Expect a fully digital driver display, wireless connectivity, a premium sound system, and Toyota's latest infotainment suite. Whether you're exploring mountain trails or stuck in city traffic, the cabin keeps you both connected and comfortable. Performance built for the wild. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ40 is rumored to offer both a powerful turbocharged gasoline engine and a hybrid option, giving drivers a mix of raw strength and eco-conscious efficiency. Built on a reinforced body-on-frame platform, it promises serious off-road capabilities. Locking differentials, crawl control, multiple terrain modes, and high ground clearance make it ready for the toughest adventures. Technology and safety. Toyota has outfitted the new FJ40 with its full suite of driver assistance technologies. From adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist to off-road navigation systems and 360-degree cameras, the Land Cruiser ensures safety no matter the journey. It's not just about reaching remote places, it's about doing so with confidence and peace of mind. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It captures the nostalgia of the past while delivering modern performance, design, and technology. For fans of the original FJ40 and new adventurers alike, this reborn icon is one to watch. Whether you're a collector, a weekend warrior, or someone looking to escape the ordinary, the FJ40 is ready to lead the way. That wraps up our deep dive into the